Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating another AM-8 track out of a 70 Plymouth Barracuda, except this customer wanted the unit repaired to original stock, which is really becoming less and less possible as these units continue to age, but I was able to get this one going. Now, one thing I'll say is that these thumb wheel controls, after they've had some years of wear in them, they can be very non-linear, and so, for instance, when you turn the volume up, the balance may change a little bit too because the carbon tracks no longer match each other perfectly because of wear and age. So, in a lot of cases, when you adjust your volume, you may also have to adjust your balance just to make up for that non-linearity of the controls. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set. Well, it's only AM, so I can't say I have it set to AM. It's just AM.
Artists who can't paint. But so what? In my hotel room at a...
Okay, so that's the one strong nice station I get. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track.
Here in Nashville.
Oop. Okay.
Bible study.
Sometimes you gotta push this in sometimes before you insert a tape, or it won't take it. There we go.
Like I was reeling and a rocking and a swinging from a coconut. Oh, I may hurry on up. And a ring call in wonderful world when your flags are unfurled. So don't you ever.
Alrighty, pull the eject button, and it lets you grab a hold of the tape, and then it may not grab it again until yep. So we got to push that track change button in before it'll hold onto that tape.
When you hold my hand, I'm a prehistoric man. I go 8.
And that's just another indication of wear on the. This is a combination push to chain tracks and pull to eject, and with some wear, the switch gets a little bit worn, and you got to press this in before it'll take a tape. So there are a couple of imperfect things on this unit, but it's repaired to original stock, so that's what we have to live with. The only way to get around most of this stuff is to do a conversion, with the customer didn't really want to do, so we'll send it back like it is and see what he says. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order. And you can get that information and leave me on the bench where the work gets done. That way, if you have to call me, it's only for a couple minutes just to clear up a last-minute question and stuff like that. So please do that research. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at BE&A Restoration for their business all the way from Litchfield, Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.